All right, so now I'm going to show how to load the bale of Z-Fold into the back of the machine. A couple of things to be aware of. First of all, Z-Fold is a live material. So in the summertime, if you're in a humid environment, it will swell a little bit. In wintertime, it will shrink a little bit. We're talking about, it's definitely going to be within tolerances of about 1/8 of an inch. But if it's swollen a little bit, you may have to move this right side infeed guide just a little bit in order to get it into the machine. The other thing to be aware of is corrugate actually has what we call a clean side and a dirty side. Some corrugate, it's easier to tell than others. In this case, you can actually see that the fluting is a little bit more prevalent on this side than it is on the other side of the craft. You always want the dirty side to go up as it's going through the machine. That becomes the inside of the carton. It does not affect the structural integrity of the carton whatsoever. It's purely for aesthetics. So when you actually line up the bale on the back of the machine, you want the front edge of the bale of the Z-Fold to be about in the middle of the tube. That allows it to pull through the machine without a whole lot of torque being generated by the motors themselves. So to actually load the corrugate, what you want to do is grab the front edge of the corrugate and grab your belt between the roller and your paddle and grab your clip it onto the front edge of the Z-Fold, and then pull the belt from the back side of the machine up and over load it between the two infeed guides, and all you need to do is make sure that the Z-Fold clears these infeed pressure rollers. Make sure your track is tight and that lever is tight so that the track cannot move after it's loaded. Once you're done with that, you can go back to the front of the machine, reinitialize the machine, and you'll be ready to run.